How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. Hey guys, in this video I will show you step by step on how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. After you open the Binance app like this, now go to this menu at the top left side. After you come to your menu like this, now scroll to down, go to this more services. So in this option, scroll to down and go to this withdraw fiat. This one, withdraw fiat. After you tap on this option, now it will give you this withdraw option. So now tap on this option now to select the currency. So from this option now, go and select the USDT or GBP that you want to withdraw to your Revolut app. So after you select the currency like this one, so from there it will give you bank like this now, this one. So now it will give you bank like this now if it is available. From there it will give you this continue button. If you tap on the continue button, from there it will allow you to select the Revolut bank. After you add the Revolut bank detail, from there it will ask you to specify the amount you want to withdraw. After that, it will ask you to confirm your verification. From there, it will ask you to tap on withdraw. From there, the money will be sent into your Revolut app. That's it, guys.